Hello, hello. Love that. First live stream. No idea how this works, but let's figure it out. Let's work it out how this works. Let's work this out. Let's figure out how this is working. Let's see if we can screen share screen. Let's go. That's what I need. Okay. That's what I need. Okay, amazing. You guys still see me. Perfect. 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 So London session will open in 1 hour, but US session, Belgium, like Germany, are opening already. So let's start analyzing the markets. Let's start analyzing the markets, what they are giving. Um, so let's see. Like, let's start with Euro USD. I don't know what it will give today. By the way, guys, life out of body. Weather is a little bit like in Belgium, Germany. I would say I don't know how the weather is today, but yeah. Um, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get some music in. Ducks. Let's get some good music in, like hip hop, work, music. All right, all right, all right. Yesterday we had a good day on the forex market. I think, to be honest, like looking at Euro USD, like you can see a lot of information on there. Not here to explain everything, just showing you how I trade, how I do things. Um, yeah, like for me, guys, Euro USD is bullish. Is bullish. So I mean, it's not bullish, but like we had like so here we had this, you know, this lower low in 8 hours, in 4 hours. We didn't um, we didn't break it, so we got rejected. Market is going up. So yeah, the market here was like consolidating, and we broke out to the top, and we broke into the previous. We broke above the previous week value area high, and we are coming back into like a big range in 8 hours. Yeah, we're coming back to this range in 8 hours. Um, what could mean that like we are rejecting, or we are like pulling back to the 8 hours low to get back to the 8 hours top. Yeah, with some like very interesting zones in between. But let's see what London session is gonna give us. Let's see. 1 hour is definitely bullish right now. Amazing range we had here. Yeah, broke through it. We reject. Oh, like we pulled back on it and had an amazing trade yesterday. Here. If you didn't see it, I mean, like, I didn't share it completely. I just shared the last moments of it on my stories on Instagram. So yeah, um, um, let's get it all done, guys. Let's get it all done today. Let's see what the market is gonna give us. Let's get it. Boom. Gold is already giving us something. Gold is already giving us something. Gold is already giving us something. So we had Asian session, Asian session, like Asian session for you guys. I mean, Tokyo session is going until 5 here. So 5 here is 10, 10 in Belgium. London is opening at 9. So yeah, let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's not be very impulsive. Let's wait. I will not, like gold is like actually reacting on this value area high. Um, what is super interesting already. But let's see what the opening of London will give us. Um, just preparing things. Just preparing the things. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what's coming up. Um, also checking what happened yesterday. So Tuesday. Let me go in 15 minutes, and I think this is actually what happened yesterday. So yeah, it will be exactly the same as just what happened here. If you want to see it, I think Monday 11 or Tuesday 12 until Tuesday 10:30, and you see that there is no difference with what happens. Like the POC is a little bit lower, but overall the same. We are bullish again on gold. Think we will target the previous week value area high here. Let's see. Bali is looking very gray, guys. I think we will have some rain. Okay, 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 okay. So if you are here, like I don't know, like just put something in the chat, like let me know. Gold, 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 gold. My mighty, mighty gold. Mighty, mighty gold. You know, gold. It's honestly, I think the most interesting pair today are like commodity is silver. Um, I think we are in a way better, like in a way better position than we are with gold. But let's see what the London session is gonna give us. Let's see. Preparing a bit. I mean, I prepared everything already. Um, but yeah, silver was clearly in a downtrend. Clearly in a downtrend. Then decided to not go further back down. Reacted like amazingly on on this range here. Like reacted amazingly on the yeah on this range. And is going back up, broke this like trend line. I mean, using a bit of like knowledge. I think it can look a little bit messy, but not. Yeah, I need it. I need the information. I'm just showing what I'm doing. I'm just like, So my charts are, I think, pretty clean. Maybe it can look a little bit messy, but yeah, for me, it's kind of how I feel better with it. Think stock market is like stock market is actually like recovering. That's really good. Because yeah, even on the stock market we had like this massive drop. Meta going back, Starbucks going back, Spotify still has to like recover. Palantir is like reacting very well on this range here. Baba is shiny, so let's keep it out of. I mean, it's different. could potentially like come back until, yeah, could potentially drop until like 138. But let's see. Let me put some light on because I think it's getting very dark out here. Kind of funny. Kind of funny. Let me see what it gives. Okay. Um, Intel. Intel should react also. Not in the best position. Cracker and Barrel. These guys. These guys made a bad decision. And people are losing a bit of interest in them apparently. These ones still like PBAI also reacting on this bottom here quite well. Should try, like it would be very nice if we can like finally break this, like this all-time high, I think. I mean, not a all-time high, but this is like, yeah, like break this high would be amazing. I mean, we are in a very good trend, still going up. So we should just like go higher than this one here. Would be amazing. Crypto reacted on a good zone. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what is happening in the next weeks. Yeah, let's see. I think we are still. I think we are playing with the mind of a lot of traders. Let me say it like that. But let's go back to what we need to do, and that's commodities and forex. And yeah, let's wait for yeah, let's wait for the London Open. That is in 30 minutes. Let's see what is happening. Let's see if people are joining. Let's see if, yeah. Let's see. Europe still has to wake up. It's still on the 8:30. in Belgium, 7:30 in the UK. So yeah, let's wait. All right, guys. Bali is going into dark mode. Gold reacting well on the value area high. Gold reacting well. Pararam. Pararam. Gold with an amazing reaction. Gold with an amazing reaction. But we are not taking any trades before London open. All right. We are not taking any trades before London open. Gold with an amazing, gold with an amazing, gold with an amazing reaction. Euro USD giving us something. Euro USD giving us something. I think we should go for a bullish setup today. Like, sorry. Gold amazing. What is Nasdaq? Nasdaq. Like, you know, bomb. Amazing. Like, let me create a path. Up, tax, tax, tax. What we want is this, this. That's a very scalpy. That would be a very scalpy trade. Previous week value area low. I think we could potentially reach like the previous week POC, but let's see what happened yesterday and what market is giving us. So Tuesday, okay, a little bit smaller. All right, Tuesday till Wednesday. All right. Yeah, perfect. I mean, like we have this range here that was during the night. So the Asian range here, Asian range. We came on it. Tax. Yeah. Think this could be a good one. Also in scalping, like very short term. What is silver giving us? Silver ranging above the 8-hour value area high, previous week value area high, range of this week. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. Let's see. What is the news saying today also? Okay. $15. We are ready for it. We are ready for it. London session, we are ready for you. Let's hope it's gonna give us something. If not, it will be US session. Euro USD pushing back on, like, you know, this here, like this. Okay, let me order something because I'm hungry. Okay, guys, I'm coming back. I'm just grabbing something downstairs. Hey, my bad. It feels cold when you come in, but it's actually not so cold.
Does anyone hear me? Like,
I don't know what you guys are hearing. I don't know if. Okay, perfect. But I don't know if they are hearing me from my AirPods or if they are hearing me from. Hello, hello. We are back for London Open. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, perfect. We are here, guys. Euro USD London Open is. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what is happening with the London session. Gold with a good reaction on the value area high, like prior London Open. But we could potentially like come back. I mean, there was a lot of volume. Let's go, gold, gold, going. What is silver doing? Can't believe it that silver just didn't hit my entry. But it is what it is. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. I think we could see Euro USD coming back to the POC here and then having a retracement. I think this is like, I mean, this is like potentially like where Euro USD would react and go further up and maybe go for the 8 hour POC. But let's see. Like London Open is not giving so much movement at the minute. Euro 80, 50 minutes. I think we broke the trend, but yeah, let's see. Euro CHF. Quickly going through everything. Quickly going through everything. Boom, boom. GBP USD is kind of interesting also. Like we have this massive range since like this range here. I don't know. Let's see what could happen here. Like GBP USD in a very interesting position also. Let me see where the volume was. In the last hours. Tax. Sorry. Yes. Until yesterday. Ah. So you see there was no volume. What does it mean? It means that this push was pushed by institutionals. Less volume, big move, institutionals. Good demand zone, I guess. Just giving some free stuff, guys. Alright. Euro USD. Can put an alert. Great. Gold. Gold, baby. Gold, baby. Let me tell you, if we break above here, this could be a potential trade. Like if we break above here, let me tell you, this could be a potential trade. Let's watch gold. Let's watch gold. Let's watch gold. So this could be a potential trade, guys. Like if we break above the like value area high, like if we take out these highs. But yeah, I will wait like for a 15-minute confirmation. I will wait for a 15-minute confirmation, so that we break above it, and then I will check for I will check for a potential trade on this one. So now it's the most difficult part of trading, I guess. And it is all about waiting. It's all about waiting now. All about waiting, all about waiting, all about waiting. Hello, guys. Live on TikTok, live on YouTube. What do you want? Let's see what the fuck there is going on the market. You can see here, live on YouTube, live on YouTube, live on TikTok. Nothing to hide, just money to be made. Like, what is gonna happen? What is gonna happen? Lorenzo, hi Lorenzo Casanova. What is gonna happen? What is gold gonna give us today? What is Euro USD gonna give us today? Like, what is gonna happen? Like, there is nice, really nice, really nice, like, reaction of Euro USD. Let's see. Hi Kelly. Hi, welcome. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what is happening. I will look for an opportunity of gold today. I will look for an opportunity on gold today. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. You know, gold will give us something. I feel it. I feel like, yeah, I was focused on silver this morning, but I think I need to focus on gold because gold is in a better position. Hi, Misha. Hi, Misha. Hassan. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
break of structure. So I sometimes use this fractal here, but normally you can just tell. Honestly, you can literally just tell when there's a break of structure. It's just basically a lower low down here, lower high. So if we're in a downtrend, these highs, you want to be creating higher highs and essentially candle closures above the highs in the market, and that will basically give you your break structure. Which time frame? This is the hourly time, no, the 5 minute time frame. Sorry, 5 minute time frame. I'm in 4% drawdown and confused on how much I should risk now. What were you risking before? How to apply this fractal indicator? Go into indicators and then type in fractals. Is this one here? Just type in fractals, you'll see.
Gold pushing.
We have some red folder news today. We do indeed. What market? This is Euro USD. Oh shit, the things.
Gold is pushing.
You're looking for shorts. A few people are looking for shorts. Is that because we've swept? No, we haven't even swept. Interesting. Do you have a mentorship? Yes, guys. Anyone interested in the VIP mentorship, head over to the Discord. There is an apply for VIP section in the Discord where you can apply to work with myself. And you can basically get a completely free call as well and book a slot. You see a buy market, yes, bro. Appreciate the follows, guys. If you're new here, make sure to drop a follow. I go live every single day at 8 a.m. Trading live, answering questions, a lot. %. I made a rookie mistake and I overtraded. Was that just one trade? You're now down 4% tax. You see a buy market, yeah. What time frame are you on? I'm on the 5 minute time frame.
Okay, guys, Euro USD is hanging on this low. Still thinking we could have like a bullish market here, even if it gets hard to believe it with this candle. But let's see what gold is doing. Gold is hanging there, hanging against the roof, like trying to get through the roof, but bumping into it.
So close to getting a mentorship. You know which mentorship to get, my bro. You know which one to get. Let's be honest. Who else is doing it like us? Accidentally scroll till next live 30. So what's your view on EU bias, bro? Actually let you trade orange folder. Check Shuki, check my FX book before trading any news. If it's red, then don't. Just avoid it with skill. Just pass
Gold. Nasdaq. Okay. Nasdaq had a massive bump. Took out. Came back on the
No, it's orange now. Orange is
range here. That's amazing. I can't believe I missed it. But came back on the range and flew. Now struggling to get through the high. Let's see, US 30 same. We got this range here in 5 minutes. Came back on. I didn't. Like, Nasdaq is more beautiful. Nasdaq is.
Trade London now. Trade the morning of New York as well. But London morning session brings me the most setups, definitely. How is that break structure?
Gold still struggling.
Trend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and we're yet to create another lower high. So that is the most recent high in the market. Lee Bennett, if you're in here, we see your call schedule. We look forward to talking about VIP with you, bro. And that goes for any of you guys. We're getting people apply for VIP, and slots will eventually close. So if you are interested in learning my strategy, learning how we trade, yes, Gary, good to have you, bro. I look forward to taking that call. It might not be me taking that call, but it will be one of the team anyway. Just different name on TikTok. But yeah, boys, if any of you guys want to organise
Gold getting rejected by the highs. Do we love to see that or not? Gold getting rejected. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. So it could mean that we will have a bearish market, but I still think we have the potential to break above it. Almost 30 minutes in. Almost 30 minutes in. Let me just check. I know where gold is. Let me check. Euro USD. I think Euro USD could like potentially react on this. Here. This could be the point where Euro USD is like going back up. And I think this could be like an amazing trade. Like this. If you look at now internal trends, like 5 minutes is like trying to sweep here. Yeah, we could potentially like have a breakout, like a sweep, and then boom, potentially return to the higher like positions. I'll put my alarm here because I'm very interested in this one. I'm very interested in this one. And guys, let me show you. Gold is pushing. If like in the next 3 minutes are super important. Like if we reject here, like the 15 minute is not coming through. This is like it's becoming a very dangerous area, and we could like potentially go back to previous weekly POC before going to the previous weekly value area high. Never be blind for potential scenarios. But do you see? We are pushing. So gold is pushing. Gold wants it. Now we had this fake out or like this sweep. Like if we can push above it, like if we come here with an alarm. So we know it. Euro USD. Gold getting rejected. Gold getting rejected, man. Like, what is Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq coming back also. Like taking it out now, respecting this range, respecting the high here. Oh, 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 gold with the push. Gold with the push. Is there any news? Or is it just no, not really? It's just, yeah, we are just pushing. This is very interesting, guys. This is very, very interesting. This is very, very interesting. All right, Euro USD like pushing down. Very curious what we're gonna do because we had this like consolidation here with a lot of volume. So like really curious what we're gonna do. We swept this previous week value area high, but as you can see, we are like getting kind of rejected by this 8 hour value. So yeah, let's see. Very interesting. As you can see, we came into my trade and rejecting kind of hard already. By the way, guys, happy you are in Europe because the weather here is not better. Let's see. We want an internal reversement now. We want an internal reversement. The momentum is still bearish, so we won't enter the trade yet. We won't. That's what we want. All right. So now you can see we have this reaction. We have this reaction. So in 5 minutes, let's see how much volume there is. Look, up, up. You know, this is super interesting now. There's a lot of volume here. So we want actually to break above it. Okay, we want this internal reversement, um, and then we can, because now we are like, we are so bearish. Momentum was bearish. So yeah, let's see what's happening now. All right. 1 hour 30 of stream. Vamos. Let's go. Complete European session in stream. European London session with European weather from Bali. Let's go. Cool, this. Yeah. Gold got rejected. That's obvious. No. Gold got rejected. Euro USD pushing. That's all very, very good news. That's all very, very good news. gold in the range. Let's see. Let's see. Gold in range. Nasdaq. So let's see what silver is actually doing, because I think silver was in a very interesting position as well. Um, because we broke this 8 hour value area high, we broke this previous week value area high. We got like a nice reaction on it. Think we are creating a new range now. Yeah, I will not focus on it today, to be honest. Don't feel like it. Don't feel like it's the right thing to do right now. And Euro USD getting rejected by this zone I told you about. Um, so yeah, let's see what is happening. This would be amazing. Gold like rejecting this, breaking here above would be amazing. We could have like a good setup if that's happening. We could have a very good setup if that's happening. But let's see, because like everything is bullish in gold. We also have this cup form. So yeah, 30 minutes. 5 minute structure still holding. Guys, I will be like 14 minutes more on stream, and then I will stop it. I will continue my trading, but yeah, I will come back maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Yeah, I will do another London session, opening London session tomorrow. Yeah, so for you to know, like before I'm going, so we have this like 5 minute structure, and you see that we have this high volume here. um so yeah, we want actually to break above here, break the structure in 5 minutes, the internal structure, to turn back into like a bullish trend, and then potentially like continue like the higher, like the higher time frame trend, the 1 hour trend, for example. um so yeah, but we need this internal confirmation. If we get it, then we can take a trade. But we need this confirmation. All the rest is pretty okay. I think we have everything I mean, we have a lot that we need, but we need this internal reversement, and then we can take a trade. Gold, I already told you. Let's see what's happening. Like, if we close the hour like this, yeah, I mean, I will not take a trade unless we are breaking above here, and then like on the rebound to then actually go further. um, do I see a bearish setup? I don't think so. I think this zone will hold it back. But let's see. That's my opinion. It's not what is gonna happen. It's just my opinion. um, but I would prefer to have this bullish setup than here this bearish setup, taking a bearish trade. Okay. um, so let's see. Let's have like 10 more minutes, and then we will see. Like, the first hour in London session is giving us something.
Mark down your biggest losing streak in that data as well. So then if you do more losing streaks, you know that it's completely gone through and you know that you can always bounce back by the end of the year. Just shit like that. You would tell and I'll get it back. You actually.
Oh, c'est magnifique. Avec Suarez, oh, c'est extraordinaire. Là, techniquement, le soulier d'or et le coup de la main. Chile speelt hem snel door. Sari of zeg ik Suarez natuurlijk geweldig.
Okay, so Euro USD is not reversing yet, and still pushing down, like still pushing down.
You guys a couple or are you friends?
Let's see. It's very interesting. The market is very interesting. Oh, market is very interesting, to be honest. But let's see, guys. I will keep you updated about this one, and yeah, let's see what's happening. Um, yeah, still waiting for the reversement. Um, Still waiting for the internal reversement, and then we can potentially look for a new trade, for another trade, for the trade of the day, maybe. You know, gold. Let me update you on gold. Gold. So gold is holding. Uh, Gold pretty much in the same situation. Still, uh, yeah, like still waiting. Gold is not decided yet where it wants to go. So let's be patient with gold. Silver didn't really get into it. Euro USD and gold. I mean, Euro USD is pushing quite hard to a bearish trend. Maybe swipe out this range, and then, but it's rejecting at the moment. So yeah, let's see, guys. Let's wait 2 more minutes, and then I will stop the stream. That's a really nice rejection. Um, but still nothing, still nothing. So let's see what Euro USD is gonna do. Super interesting to keep an eye on it. I think it has been a very boring market the last weeks on Euro USD, but I think the last days are like super interesting, and we get some movement in there. So also with US government back open, it's always super interesting, you know. So yeah, guys, I see you in the next days again. Um, let's finish it up here. I will not hold it longer.